What would happen when someone's native language does not differentiate the sound
O,
and
er.
In this video, you will hear word pairs which they would pronounce similarly. This channel brings you learning resources to improve your English in a relaxing way. Subscribe and turn on the notification bell to help this channel grow. In this video, you are going to hear words that sound the same except for the beginning.
O,
Or.
er.
After hearing a pair of these words, a random one from that pair is played again.
Er.
The answers are in the description box. Make sure you stay to the end. You will hear 5 sentences that contain a word from the minimal pairs. Check whether you get that right too. Lead. Red. Red. Lane. Rain. Lane. Lace. Race. Race. Late. Rate. Late. Lack. Rack. Rack. Lamp. Ramp. Ramp. Lush. Rush. Rush. Light. Right. Light. Lime. Rhyme. Lime. Leech. Reach. Reach. Lead. Read. Read. Lip. Rip. Lip. Lid. Rid. Lid. Loyal. Royal. Loyal. Lock. Rock. Lock. Locket. Rocket. Rocket. Long. Wrong. Wrong. Lighter. Writer. Writer. Load. Road. Road. Law. Raw. Law. There is a lamp in front of the house. This is the right diet for him. She can read the future. There is a lot of locks in this place. He is walking on the long path. Do you know someone likely to mix these two sounds in their daily talk? Leave a comment below if you know someone that does. Check out another video of minimal pairs. See you there.